Mode of transport will be air. This is very important, guys. Please fill this seriously. Purpose of travel is holiday, sightseeing, leisure. There are many things, but hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're traveling to Bali, Indonesia, or anywhere in Indonesia anytime soon, this video is for you. Now Indonesia requires you to fill digital arrival card before traveling to Indonesia. Thailand started this trend, Malaysia started this trend actually, followed by Thailand. Philippines are now following this, and now it's come down to Indonesia. So kudos to Malaysia for actually starting this MDAC, then was copied by Thailand in the form of TDAC, and then Philippines copied that in the form of PDAC, and now Indonesia have also started their digital arrival card. Now Indonesian government has clearly mentioned that failure to fill digital arrival card might take longer immigration queues and also in customs and baggage checks. So it is your prior responsibility to fill Indonesia's digital arrival card 72 hours before your departure to Indonesia. It is just like any other digital arrival card as in Thailand, Malaysia or Philippines. It is the same, guys. In this video, I'll show you exactly the step-by-step process on how to fill out your Indonesia's Bali digital arrival card. So just a heads up, all the information I'm going to share my screen and show it to you. Please take the digital arrival card very seriously, because recently Malaysia and Indonesia have become a little more stricter towards Indian passport holders because of employment towards tourist visas. Now lot of people, lot of Indian passport holders were caught in Malaysia and a few in Indonesia working on a tourist visa. You know that employment is strictly banned in tourist visas to any country for that matter, except maybe Dubai at the starting range. Dubai or UAE, maybe it's an exception. Before you get the offer, it might be allowed, but apart from that, no country that I know of allows you to work and become employed on a tourist visa. So without wasting any time, let's go to my screen and know how to fill the digital arrival card. Hey guys, I hope you can see my screen. So this link will be in the description below. You don't have to worry about this, guys. Now, as soon as you get into this page, you have to select English instead of Indonesian language. So just select English, and then you have to select foreign visitor. And here there are 4 sections basically. One is personal information, travel details, mode of transportation and address, and declaration. So we're going to go through this one by one, guys. So passport region is India, so I'm just going to select India, and then enter full name. This is not like a given name and first name, guys. So this is full name. Whatever is there in your passport, you have to add given name plus surname. So I'm going to add my name, that is Software Traveler, my channel name. Please do enter whatever is there in your passport, because I cannot enter the data of my passport here. So date of birth again, okay, and country, place of birth again India. And then I'm going to select mail, date of expiry of passport 0802-2032, and then passport number K3805292. This is a dummy passport, guys. That's not my actual passport number. Phone number 1, and then email would be pc@gmail.com. And I'm just going to click on next. If you have multiple travelers like your parents or like your spouse, kindly add those details as well. So click on next, and here air travel day to Indonesia. So you can fill this form only 72 hours before the travel, we know that. So I'm going to select 31st of August, and departure from Indonesia, I'm going to select 6th of September. Do you have already a visa, KITAS or KITAP? Okay, if you've already applied for an e-visa, enter your e-visa number, guys. That's it. Now I don't have an e-visa number for the demo purpose, so I'm going to opt for visa on arrival. I'm going to select next. And here I'm going to select mode of transport will be air. This is very important, guys. Please fill this seriously. Purpose of travel is holiday, sightseeing, leisure. There are many things, but for us it would be holiday, sightseeing, leisure on a tourist visa. And place of arrival would be Denpasar, that is DPS is nothing but Bali airport, that is Gusti Nungara Rai airport is Bali, guys. No confusion here. and then type of air transport would be commercial flight. Whatever flight we take from India to Bali, that would be a commercial flight. And flight name, I will just select as Indigo because that is our own Indian airline. So I'm going to select Indigo, and flight number I'm just going to give dummy purpose as 106 only. And address in Indonesia, select the type of residence type. I'm going to select hotel, and what is the hotel name? I've just pulled out a hotel from booking.com and it is called Infinity 8 Bali. Looks very famous actually. So I'm going to select Infinity 8 Bali, and there you go. I already got this Infinity 8 Bali in the list of hotels in the database as per Indonesia. So when I select this, address or immigration office is already going to appear here. So I'm going to select next. Now this is the last page and the most important page. Now in accordance with Indonesia's national health protocols, please complete the health declaration form to support public health. Do you have fever, cough or urgent? I'm just going to select no. Countries of origin, departure, transit, other countries are visited within 21 days of departure to Indonesia. So within 21 days, I went to Thailand. So I'm just going to select Thailand. But if you have multiple countries, guys, like for example, you have Albania, I'm going to select Albania, and that list is going to come here. This is very important for Indonesia to know to avoid any further damage if you are possessing any disease or if you are involved with any XYZ reasons. This is very, very important to know. That's why fill the details and take it very seriously. And quarantine declaration, fish, plants, animals, no. And customs declaration, number of baggage arriving with you. This is nothing but check-in baggage. It's not cabin or carry-on baggage. Whatever baggage you declared before departing to India to the airlines, that is the baggage. I'm just going to select one because I usually carry only one big suitcase. So please press the button, know the list of goods to declare. No. Are you bringing mobile phones? No. And I, applicant, hereby certify the declaration of this. So you have to probably read this declaration, which nobody does, and click on submit. I am not going to submit here, guys, because I don't want to produce fake information to Indonesia's arrival card. Now I have already been to Indonesia in 2019. I have no plans of visiting Indonesia or Bali anytime soon. I visited Jakarta and Bali during my 2019 visit and have seen most of North and South Bali. So I don't have any plans to go. So I'm not going to click on submit, but you should click on submit. You do not hesitate, click on submit and fill out this form. You have already given your email address and you have given your phone number. You will get an email address with the QR code or the printout. No need to worry, guys. Just click on submit and that is pretty much it. So there you saw, guys, that is the simple process on how to fill out Indonesia's digital arrival card. That is a very simple process. Kindly do help to me. Share this video to all the friends and family members or your community, whoever is going to Indonesia, whoever is visiting those beautiful islands in Bali. Please do share this video with them. Not only this video will get enough reach, but also mainly the main point is it will help a lot of tourists, because if you want to fill the same thing in airport without internet, struggling for internet, asking hotspot for the others, it's going to become a hell, guys. So take my advice. Fill your digital arrival card well in advance, 72 hours before you travel. It will make your travel very, very peaceful. I'll catch you guys in my next video.